Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We just got back from Heli. Let's do some laundry. I have this down wash, but the instructions don't say too much. Let's do some research and see what we should do. Okay, I'm following this video by Justin Outdoors. Luckily my washer is front loading, but I am gonna try doing 2 at a time. Let's load it up. First wash is done. We are doing another round to make sure all the detergent is gone. After this, we will tumble dry low with 3 tennis balls. The jackets feel dry and the baffling looks properly locked. Easy, quick video. Number 266 done.